Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up the auto empty dock settings on DREAME D20 Plus. First, I'll show you how to manually trigger the auto empty, and then I'll show you how to set up automatic auto empty task based on like changing the frequency basically. So first, if you go to dock, if your robot is currently in the dock, you can click on auto empty.
Start auto empty.
And it will start. Okay, now I think it's finished. It did auto empty, but you may want to make it work automatically so you don't need to trigger it manually. And to do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to dock settings and now find auto empty, and you can set it to off so the robot will not automatically empty. So you need to either manually trigger it or empty the dust bin yourself by taking it out of the robot and emptying it manually. You can also do standard, which means it will do it after each cleaning. Just when it finishes, it'll do it. You can also do high frequency, which means it will do it. It may do it a few times during cleaning if the dust box gets full. During cleaning, it will return, auto empty, and continue. And then a low frequency will do it every 3 cleaning tasks. It's suitable for clean homes or small apartments. The high frequency is for homes with pets or multiple carpets, and standard is just for daily cleaning. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.